All right, today we're diving into a project that's really pushing the boundaries of AI. We're moving beyond AI that just talks and into the world of AI that actually does. The project is called DeerFlow, and honestly, it points to a huge shift in what artificial intelligence is even for. You know, this quote from Merlin AI just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? We've all been there. You ask a question, you get a big block of text back, and then it's on you to go do the actual work. I mean, it's helpful, sure, but it's not quite the revolution we were all expecting. So what if you could change that? What if, instead of just describing how to build a website or how to analyze a spreadsheet, the AI just went ahead and did it? That's the game-changing question that projects like DeerFlow are trying to answer. So let's pull back the curtain and meet the project at the heart of this big idea. This is DeerFlow, and it belongs to a whole new category of AI systems that they're calling an agent harness. So what is it exactly? Well, DeerFlow is an open source project from ByteDance that absolutely exploded in popularity. We're talking #1 on GitHub's trending list. And what's really telling is that version 2.0 is a complete rewrite from the ground up. They're leaning into this whole agent harness idea, building it on the shoulders of other amazing open source tools like LangChain and LangGraph. And when I say it's popular, I am not kidding. Over 42,900 stars on GitHub. That's a huge signal from the developer community that this is an idea with some serious potential. This isn't just some niche experiment, it's a trend. So what on earth is an agent harness? Here's the most important thing to get. It's not the agent itself. Think of it more like the entire workshop that empowers the agent. It's the whole setup. It gives the agent a computer to work on, long-term memory, specialized tools for different jobs, and even the ability to hire and manage a team of other agents. This comparison just makes it crystal clear. We're all used to chatbots. Their function, they talk, they give you text that describes what to do. An agent harness, its function is to act. The output isn't text, it's results. It does the work. That's the fundamental leap we're talking about. So how does it actually do it? How does it pull this off? Okay, let's head into the engine room and see how DeerFlow turns a simple prompt into a finished project. It basically acts like a super efficient project manager. Let's say you give it a complex task, like research the impact of AI on finance and create a slide deck. First, the main lead agent breaks that big goal down into smaller, bite-sized steps. Then it delegates each little task to specialized sub-agents that can all work at the same time. Each one does its job in a safe, isolated sandbox. And finally, the lead agent gathers up all their work and puts it together into the final result you asked for. Pretty slick, right? This whole process is powered by a few key pieces. You've got skills and tools, which are like plugins for anything from coding to web searching. You have the ability to spin up those sub-agents to divide and conquer. And crucially, you have the sandbox. It's essentially a secure, self-contained little computer where the AI can write code or browse the web without messing anything up. And tying it all together is long-term memory, so it can actually learn your preferences over time. And for any of you developers out there curious about what's under the hood, here's a quick peek. It's mostly Python, which makes total sense for an AI project, and the front-end interface is built with TypeScript. It's a pretty solid standard setup for this kind of powerful application. Okay, the promise is incredible. It sounds amazing. But what's it actually like to use a tool like DeerFlow today? Let's do a quick reality check. So while DeerFlow can technically run locally for free, the reality is to really unlock its power for things like web research, you're going to need some paid API keys. The setup is also, well, it's pretty involved for non-developers. And while it's fast with powerful models from an API, it can be really, really slow if you're trying to use smaller models on your own machine. Bottom line, it's incredibly powerful, but it's not quite a one-click install just yet. Now, one really practical and cool feature is that you can connect it to your favorite chat apps. Hooking it up to Telegram is pretty easy, while Slack and Lark take a little more work. But this means you can bring DeerFlow's doing power right into your team's conversations. Okay, so let's zoom out. What does all this mean? The rise of projects like DeerFlow isn't just about a cool new tool. It signals a massive shift in what we expect from AI systems altogether. This right here is the key takeaway. If you remember one thing, it's this. We are moving from an era of conversational AI to an era of agentic AI, execution-focused AI. The goal is no longer just to get an answer, it's to get a task done.
And DeerFlow's own story is the perfect example of this. It actually started as a tool for deep research, basically a really smart information gatherer. But then the community started using it to do things the creators never even imagined. So for version 2.0, they listened and rebuilt it from the ground up to be what people were already turning it into, a harness for action.
Which brings us to the big final question. We are right at the beginning of this shift. And when our AI tools can not only think and talk, but can also reliably do complex multi-step work for us, what comes next?